Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam, guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that, we're getting confirmation that the Santa rally is happening. It is here, and it looks like things are turning positive. However, there is one Debbie Downer piece of news that we need to talk about right now, guys, and that is some breaking news from Putin in house, and it's not looking good. And this event could actually bring down the whole broader markets and crypto markets. So we need to talk about that. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house, guys, expressing his opinion. And this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, guys. So this Russian Putin news is pretty bad, guys, and it could have a very negative effect on the broader markets. I mean, the timing is just perfect, right? As the cryptocurrencies are going up and things are starting to rally, and things are starting to look pretty positive. We get this negative news. I don't know if this was intentionally timed to do this, to bring down the broader markets, to kind of, put the kibosh on everybody's Christmas. But let's jump into it, guys, and let's see what if any, impact it has. I think it's going to have some impact on the broader markets, guys. So once again, please go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, comment as always, and I want to hear your thoughts, guys, and let me know what you think about this Putin news that we're going to talk about. Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Is it going to affect the crypto markets, guys? So we're seeing that yesterday. We did see that the whole broader markets did go up. Dow Jones was up almost 2 points, S&P was up almost 2 points, and the Nasdaq was up over 2.4%, and that is pretty good, guys. And that is really bullish news, and that's why we saw, yesterday Bitcoin go up. We saw all the cryptos going up, and that's why yesterday also our fear and greed index had moved from 27, which was fear, to 45, guys. So we're still in the fear zone, but it definitely got better. It's getting closer to, greed now. And, this could signal that, the previous $45,000 that we hit for Bitcoin definitely signaled the bottom. However, we do have this news that just came out from Putin, and this it has to do with the fact that Vladimir Putin warns NATO that everyone will be turned into radioactive ash over Ukraine moves. And you guys know that there's been some kind of issues over there in that area of the world, and this is not good. I mean, Putin to say the radioactive ash thing, it's pretty negative, guys, and this could have some really negative consequences on broader markets. This could put a stymie on what's going on as well. And this is not something to be taken lightly out there. And so I think that this is going to put some pressure on the broader markets, and it's going to cause probably the Nasdaq, and we're probably going to see the European and the Asian markets start to go down when they start to open. So it's pretty early here right now for the Asian markets, so they're not open yet. So I'm going to update you later on about noontime with an update on how that's going to have any impact. But if we look at Kramer, he still believes that Santa Claus rally into the end of 2021, even though we have this cases spike. I can't say the C word on YouTube, also I'm going to get in trouble. So, but I still believe that we're going to see this Santa rally. But, up until like 2 hours ago, 100%. But because of this recent news that just came out here, I'm a little bit concerned that this could push all the broader markets down, guys. So right now we're seeing that the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now is Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano, and Terra, and Spell, and Dogecoin. And one interesting matrix for Shiba Inu, we're seeing that the number of short-term holders is getting pretty close to zero, guys. And that's holders that have been holding Shiba Inu for less than 1 month. And that matrix is getting to zero. So this is pretty critical, and this is a good thing for Shiba Inu. And that means that, a lot of the paper hands have been washed out of Shiba Inu. Also, we're seeing a pretty similar thing as well for Dogecoin, that the number of short-term holders are getting less and less, and what's remaining is the long-term holders, people that have faith in the project, people that love the Dogecoin like me. And I think this is good because when we have all of these paper hands and they're buying and selling, buying and selling, and buying and selling, it really has a negative impact on the prices, guys. So that is absolutely not good in the house. So this is good news, a very bullish news. Some other stuff that's coming out that confirms to me that we're seeing that things are going up, and this is from Matthew Hayward, and I love Matthew Hayward. to it. And he says Bitcoin has broken out of the multi-month downtrend on the daily momentum indicator. And the previous times it broke out of the multi-month downtrend this year, a massive bullish move has followed. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin daily RSI is now trying to break out of this downtrend. So you can see here, guys, that you can see right here that this momentum indicator, we're seeing that Bitcoin is about to break out of here and also on the RSI. And he also did talk about this as well, that, you know, if we look at December, March, and May, when we saw these bottoms of the RSI here and here and here, it was followed by a huge breakout to the upside, guys. So I think that we're going to be seeing a huge breakout to the upside for Bitcoin right now. And as you guys know, that Bitcoin has to get past this area here, and this area is the about 49,200 area right here. So we did go up there. We got rejected a couple times. So we definitely need Bitcoin to get past that. We're seeing that the RSI is moving towards breakout, guys, and that is very good signs overall. But we're seeing that yesterday we had a pretty good breakout to the upside for Bitcoin, and that took all the broader markets up. So that's pretty bullish news in the house, guys. So, you know, we're seeing a lot of positive news out there for Bitcoin. And yesterday I talked about this, and this is from Tech Dev, and we can see that here, you know, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure in 2020 and 2021, and you can see right now we have completed the third structure. We've completed the fourth structure, the fifth structure, and typically after we see this fifth structure and we can see this uptrending funnel here, and this is on the 3-day time frame, we can see that when we have this pattern hit here, we often have a bounce to the upside. We're seeing the same kind of pattern. We're seeing the same kind of pattern on the RSI. We're seeing that we're about to break out. We hit bottom here in 2020. Once we hit bottom, we started to go up, and that took us up to the parabolic rise that we saw previously. And we're also seeing the same thing for the MACD. Here we're hitting the fifth structure on the 3-day, and you see it's going from red turning white, and then once it goes white, it will go green, and then we'll see this MACD start to go up to the upside. So we're going to see that on the 3-day. We're seeing that, you know, Bitcoin is breaking out of all of its key resistance and structure. So this is very good news in the house, guys. So I'm pretty excited. And also too, you can see right now that the total exchange balance for Bitcoin is hitting a 7th-day low. In the last 7 days, we have gone down about 630,000 Bitcoin have been taken off exchanges, and this just proves that there's more, there's less Bitcoin on exchanges. This is a huge supply shock, and something's got to give, guys. Something has to absolutely give. Either people are going to start moving all their Bitcoin onto exchanges and dump Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin's going to crash, and go down to 24K. I don't think that's going to happen. As I said yesterday, there's a huge short squeeze happening. There's an absolute huge short squeeze happening, and you're going to see that the culmination of that short squeeze is going to hit on the 31st, and this is like a bazooka short squeeze, because all the retail weak Nancy's out there have bet against crypto, have bet against Bitcoin, and you're going to see a huge short squeeze at the end of December, and you're going to see a huge parabolic move December 31st, 1st of January. You're going to see absolutely Bitcoin explode and go to the moon, guys. So I'm so excited about that. You should be excited. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin once again. Now, Bitcoin right now, we got 4 days and 23 hours left on this week, guys, and Bitcoin is right now about 48,595. Now, it was higher earlier, but we've given back a little bit, and that has to do with this reaction of this Putin news, which is kind of a Debbie Downer event that's going on right now. The other thing that's happening right now, you can see that on the daily, we have broken out of this descending triangle here, and we broke out before we hit the apex, so that's pretty good. We're seeing the RSI is looking pretty good. We're seeing that the MACD has also turned green on the daily. So these are all positive indicators, and we're seeing that right now Bitcoin has got rejected at the 49,200 level, and that's a key level that we need to get past. Once we get past that, then our key the resistance at 5,200 in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the Doge or Woj in the house. So Doge is looking okay, guys. We had this huge descending triangle that goes all the way back to the SNL days. We have broken out of that. We're forming a nice W pattern. We've gone down a little bit, but a lot of that has to do with this reaction in Asia and in Europe. Remember, in Europe it's still the evening over there, so the markets are closed, and this is some of that reaction. So hopefully this will not have too much of a negative impact and will wash out in the news cycle. If mainstream media picks up this whole Putin story and starts to push it out, we could see that the broader markets and crypto could go down, and hopefully that does not invalidate the Santa rally, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. If we take a look at Ethereum in the house, Ethereum right now is just gingerly above $4,000, and once again it's gone down a little bit. We're seeing a little bit of consolidation because there's Putin news out there, so hopefully that this will continue this uptrend. We're seeing that Solana right now is $177 in the house, and it's looking pretty good, and still following my channel, my support line exactly as I printed, exactly as I predicted, guys. And if you look at Matic is on fire. Matic is at $2.43. And Matic, if you guys want to know about three coins that I'm very bullish about, Luna, I'm very bullish about Polygon, and I'm very bullish about Avalanche and DOT. These are the projects that you guys need to keep an eye on. I don't think it's too late to ape into these projects. Look at Matic, guys. Matic is on fire. I mean, my portfolio for Matic, I'm up 100% right now on Matic. Even though we had this, rough, turbulent consolidation for the last, 4 weeks, everything's still looking pretty good for Matic, guys. So let's look at the total market cap right now. It's around about 2.32 trillion in the house. Volumes have come down a little bit, 66.39. The Bitcoin dominance is falling, so that's good. That should push some more liquidity into the altcoins. And right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is around about 48,708. That's still up 4.45% in the house. We're seeing Ethereum right now is just at $4,000. We need to keep that level. Again, that's a big psychological support. But with this whole Putin news, we're gonna have to keep an eye on things. We could see a little bit of a sell-off in the broader markets, and that could impact crypto, as I said. BNB right now is at 527, and that's up 3%. We're seeing Solana is up 3.67%, and that's at 177.99. We're seeing ADA in the house is up 4.5%. I'm a buyer at $1, guys. And we're seeing Luna is on fire right now, and Luna has hit an all-time high again, so that's pretty good, and we're up 11.69%. So Luna is just going to the moon, guys, and it's really defying the odds. Avalanche $122, and that's at 11 up 11.6%, so that is very positive in the house. DOT is up 5.38%. So these are some top projects. I would keep my eye on Luna, Avalanche, DOT, and Matic, guys. Matic is up a huge 14% today as well, so that is very good, and that's at $2.42. Shiba Inu is up 8%, and that's at 33. So Shiba Inu's got back to its support level, above the support level, so we need to hold that area for Shiba Inu. That is very key, guys. And Doji Woji in the house is at 6.65 in the house, guys, so that is looking good for Doge. And like I said, for the Doji Wojer, Doge just needs to get past this level here, and I think it's going to be okay. We're going to be fine. So things are looking very, very bullish in the house, guys. I love it. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. I got 3,491 followers. Let's get that up to 3,500 followers, guys. Join the cool club. Join the smart crowd, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes. Super chat would be appreciated. And don't forget to go and check out my linky winks below. Buy the channel a coffee. Do all that great stuff. You want it. I want it. Let's get it. And do not forget to go and check out the merch, guys. We've got tons of merch. We've got cups, bags, and all that kind of stuff. You want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. And I just want to say God bless each and every one of you in the house. And I also forgot. Don't forget to check the Wi-Fi Wifey channel, guys. Go over there and check it out, guys. So I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Be healthy. Be wealthy. Diamond hands. Hodl. Subscribe. Like this channel. Like this video. And love life. And spend every second. Make every second count, guys. You love it. Love it. Woo!